In this video I'm going to show you how to do these gorgeous wee flowers. They're just small, really simple, but they can be added absolutely anywhere and everywhere. So here we go. Start with a magic ring, and don't panic, because if you can't do a magic ring, I have a video, or you can just chain 4 and join with a slip stitch to form a ring. Chain 1 and 6 double crochets go into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Pull tight and join with a slip stitch to the first double crochet. And there you've got your center of your flower. Now you could do that in a contrast color and fasten off here. It gets a little bit busy with all the tails, so for now we're going to carry on in the same one color. First petal, chain 3, and work 1 treble into the same place as your join, and I'm stretching up on that to see it. 1 treble, 3 more chains, because now what we're going to do is slip stitch that down in to the same place, and that makes our first petal. Next petal, we move over to the next stitch that's free and work a slip stitch in there. Chain 3, 1 treble in the same place, and again I'm stretching so that I can see where I've been. 1 treble and 3 more chains. Oops. So that I can slip stitch back down in to the same place to root the petal back onto the ring. Keep doing that. Slip stitch to begin into the next stitch. 3 chains. 1 treble, 3 chains, and 1 slip. So that all of those things go into the same stitch. Next free stitch is here. We're going to do all these next actions in there. Slip, 3 chains, sorry, a treble, 3 chains, and a slip. Last one. This is not a stitch, this is our slip stitch. So this is our 6th petal. Slip, 3 chains, 1 treble, 3 chains, and a slip into the same place. So those are our 6 petals. We could join down into the root of the first petal with a slip stitch and fasten off with a long tail. Make it a generous tail, because you're probably going to be wanting to sew that to something, and to sew maybe a button to the middle or a bead or 2. So tighten that up, and that's your little flower. Isn't that sweet? And when you put them all together, they're just lovely. You can layer them up. And for something so small, it's really pretty and can just make them the best of a shawl, a blanket, a cushion cover, a pillowcase, anything that you want to dicky up. So I hope you enjoyed that. Good luck, please give it a try. And watch that magic ring video if it's new to you. I promise it's simple. Thank you. Bye.